Techno Industrial Products offers QTYH, QSLH, high-pressure air preparation units. QTYH is high-pressure regulators from 1/4 to 2-inch BSP female thread. With high-class AL6061 aluminum alloy body, nickel-plated iron regulating handle, metal locking nut and screw rod, 1/4 BSP female thread for pressure gauge connection. Reliable pressure regulation, easily operation, energy conservation, and long lifespan. These regulators are suitable for high-pressure nitrogen, argon and other inert gases, widely used in the bottle blowing machine, blow molding machine, nitrogen cylinder, and much more you can think of. Now we are seeing the working of QTYH simply. Step 1. Rotate the locking nut upward. Step 2. Rotate the handle to the desired pressure. Step 3. Turn down the locking nut, to lock the pressure. The adjusting pressure range is from 1.5 to 40 bar. We can get any pressure as desired in this range. QSLH is high pressure filter, from 1/4 to 1-inch female thread BSP, with high-class AL6061 aluminum alloy body, 20 micrometers brass filter element, metal bowl, and brass drainer. These filters, regulators can not only work separately, but also can work together. Now we are seeing, like this make a good combination to provide the ISO air. After the compressed air stopped, the drainer will return to its original position and discharge the water smoothly, to ensure the normal operation of the equipments. Thanks for watching.